Hey kids, I wanted to show you how to solve equations using models. So today's note card, you have two note cards this week. So we had one yesterday on one-step equations, which had like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division equations. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a picture of equations to solve them. And these are going to get a little more complicated, or at least the second one will. I also wanted to show you this. This is a pig. Just thought I'd show you the pig. So my daughter made this. It's a little origami pig that she made. She's getting into origami. I don't know if you guys remember Elliot used to be into origami. But my daughter's making little animals. This is her origami pig. Pretty good, huh?
It's hard making them.
She said it's very hard. She's actually sitting right here. She said it's quite hard to make an origami pig. But I'm impressed. It's a pretty good pig, right? All right. Anyway, here's what we're going to do. Bags and coins. We're going to use equations. We're going to use pictures or models to solve a problem. And what I'm going to do is draw a picture, and I'm going to draw bags and coins. So let me see. I had a little note here of what I was going to do. Yes, that's what I was going to do. I am going to draw 3 bags, and you're going to see how I draw my bags. They're a little goofy, but we'll try them. We're going to draw the bags in, let's make pink bags. All right, we're going to draw, oh, that's a lot of crazy colors. Let's actually make them more closer to red. We're going to draw, no, because I'm going to cross out in red. Let's make our bags, what color are bags? Bags are kind of brown colored. Here we go, this will work. So this is my bag right here, and it's got a little latch or a little kind of thing on the top. It looks like a pineapple, but it's actually a bag. And there's something in the bag. My daughter's laughing. She doesn't think my bag, she thinks it looks like a pineapple. All right, they're terrible bags. I could draw more like circular like this. All right, those are 3 bags. And then I'm going to say equals a number of coins. So these 3 bags are the same, and that big equal sign is really important. These 3 bags are the same as, how many coins did I put? I had it on my notes. Oh, we're going to do 6 coins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw over here 6 little coins. Now I don't got to draw them really big, but I'm basically going to draw 6 coins, right? Now all of these coins are worth like 1 cent. So one way to think about this is my bags are unknowns. They are, I'm going to put a little question mark in them. How much is in each bag? But what I do know is that every bag has the exact same amount of coins. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this as like an equation. We're going to say over here on this side, I have 3 bags. My daughter just told me the answer. So if you guys can't figure this out, my 2nd grade daughter figured it out. So no excuses, guys. And over here, we have 6 coins. Now here's the difference. I'm not going to write 6C. Wait, I'm going to write 3 bags because I don't know what's in it. But over here, these are knowns. These are constants. I know what the coins are worth. They're all worth 1 cent or $1, whatever. These are knowns, right? So this is my unknown over here. So I could write that in. You don't have to write that in if you don't want to, but I'm going to write it in. These are my unknowns, and these are constants. And when I say constant, it means I know what they are. I know what these are. They don't change, right? Okay, now what do? In order to solve this problem, I come on here and I say, well, I want to divide those coins into those bags. So what I'm going to do, just like yesterday, is I'm going to think about this idea of, and I'm going to change it to black. Sorry, I keep changing color. I'm going to change this to divide. Oh, they're trying to get my head. My head's in the way. You see that? They're trying to move me out of the way. I'm going to, over on this side, let's see if I can do it without it getting in the way. I'm going to divide this side by 3, and I'm going to divide this side by 3. And what I'm essentially doing is taking my coins and putting them into groups. I'm going to put these 2 into a group, and I'm going to put them into that bag, right? And then I'm going to put the next 2, let's make it orange, I'm going to put these 2 into a group, and they're going to go into the next bag. And then I'm going to put the last 2 into a group. We'll make it green. I'm getting all kinds of crazy colors here.
Aww.
These 2, my daughter's complaining about my color choice. No, shh, I don't know if you can hear her, but I have to shush her just like I shush you guys at the school, right? It's all the same. Shushing kids at home, shushing kids at school, all the same. All right, now, oh, it's moving me. All right, I'm going to now draw this line across, and I'm going to say, what's 3b divided by b? Well, that obviously is just 1b, or b. And what's 6 divided by 3? It's 2. And that's the answer. This is it. b equals 2. So if I go 3 times 2, I get 6. And that's how we do this problem. We're done. That's it. Super easy, right? But the picture represents it. Now I'm going to show you a more complicated one. This one I like a lot better. Okay, and I want you guys to do this one too. This one we're going to draw a little bit differently. I'm going to just draw my bags all in black on this one because I'm kind of already tired of all those colors. It's already hurting my eyes. Okay, we're going to draw 2 bags in this one. Once again, they look like pineapples. They're supposed to be bags. And then I'm going to write, Leah, can you go let Elliot in? Can you buzz him in?
Yeah.
All right, then I'm going to draw 6 coins over here. And then I'm going to draw my big equal sign. And I'm going to draw on this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 14 coins. So when I look at this, I have coins on both sides. So now I'm going to write this equation. And when I write this equation, I'm going to come down here. And I'm going to make it, we're going to say, hey, I'm on a video, Elliot. Be quiet. Okay, I'm going to write 2 bags. So 2 bags, 2B, plus 6 equals 14. Now this is part of my skill. The skill here is, can I translate this in? Now notice I didn't put 6 coins. I didn't put 14 coins. I just put 6 and 14 because I know what they're worth. They're constants. Now I'm going to solve this equation, which is more complex, and you're going to see how I do it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my red pen, and I'm going to cross out 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I'm doing? I'm taking 6 away. If I do that, though, what do I have to do to the other side? Don't I have to also cross out 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to take 6 away from both sides. Does this look familiar, guys? It's kind of like yesterday's one-step equations. Remember we had to take stuff away from both sides? So I then draw this line across, right? Lots of colors going on, lots of different colors. And I rewrite the problem. So let's go back down to that brownish color. We're going to say 2B, right? 2B equals 8. What the heck happened to that 6? Well, we canceled it out. Plus 6 minus 6 equals 0. Now, what do I have to do? I have to take the coins that are remaining and separate them into bags. So our next step, I'll go with blue now, because why not add more colors? I'm going to take this 4 coins, and I'm going to put them into this bag, right? And then I'm going to take another color blue, and I'm going to take these 4 coins that are left over, and I'm going to put them into this bag. Now, what am I doing? I'm dividing the coins into the bag. So what do I have left? I'm dividing the coins between the 2 bags. So how do I show that? Well, down here, I said I want to get the B all by itself. I'm dividing by 2. And over here, what am I doing? I'm dividing by 2. And now what we're doing is we're combining. We're doing, not combining. We're doing a 2-step equation. Remember yesterday we did 1-step equations? This is called a 2-step equation. Isn't there a 2-step in that, like a dance move or something? Or like a country dance move, 2-step? All right, what is 2 divided by 2? Well, it's 1. So we just have 1B left over. So we just write B, because that's the whole idea. We want to find out what's in one bag, equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And remember how we checked it? Like, if this each had 4 and 4, we'd have 4 plus 4 plus 6. That gives me 8 plus 6, which is 14. Over here, we had 14. There we go. Done, right? This is how you use the bag and coins problem to write an equation and then to solve the equation, all right? Pretty awesome. You like how even in this video, I got to show you my daughter's pig, you know, her little pig. I also got to yell at my son. You know, is that fun, don't you? Isn't it good? You get to see a little life, a little glimpse into my home life, man. All right, kids. I will, this is your note card. You're going to practice this in the activity today. So I gave you an activity today that's all about doing this. Bags and coins, 2-step equations. Fascinating. I know. It just blew your mind. Amazing. Okay. Bye, everybody. I got to find the thing to turn it off.